Beneath the polished surface of Apple's upcoming device, something big is happening. The M5 iPad Pro is not just another update. It's not about a little more speed or a slightly better display. This is about transformation. Apple wants to blur the line between tablet and laptop, to take power, portability, and intelligence and bring them together in one device. This shift is more than technical. It represents a turning point in how we think about personal computing. But to understand why it matters, we need to look back at how the iPad story began. When Apple first introduced the iPad in 2010, it faced heavy skepticism. Many critics dismissed it as nothing more than an oversized iPhone, a device that looked sleek but lacked a real purpose. Some wondered if it was just another gadget destined to fade away, yet history proved them wrong. Slowly but surely, the iPad carved out its place. It became a favorite for students, artists, business travelers, and casual users. Developers built apps that unlocked its potential, and Apple's hardware grew stronger each year. Still, one question has haunted the iPad for more than a decade. Could it ever truly replace a traditional computer? The M5 iPad Pro may finally bring an answer to that question. At the core of this transformation is the M5 chip, Apple's next leap in silicon design. Built on a refined 3nm process, it is more efficient and more powerful than ever before. Early reports suggest a 20% boost compared to the already blistering M4. That means faster app launches, smoother multitasking, and improved responsiveness across the board. The graphics engine is where the M5 shines brightest. It's built for real-time 3D rendering, advanced augmented reality (AR), and heavy graphics workloads that were once reserved for desktop-class machines. This engine represents Apple's boldest vision yet. It's designed to handle AI-driven workflows that used to require cloud servers. Tasks like editing a 12,000 video, rendering lifelike 3D environments, or even training machine learning models can now happen directly on the iPad. No need to upload files, no waiting on internet speed, no compromises. Just raw, on-device intelligence. This isn't just about performance. It's about independence. For the first time, creators and professionals can hold in their hands a device that removes the middleman between their vision and execution. But Apple doesn't want the M5 iPad Pro to be remembered only as the fastest iPad ever. Speed matters, but intelligence matters more. The device is being designed to feel adaptive, almost alive. Instead of simply responding to commands, it will learn from the user's patterns. It could anticipate what tool an artist needs, what resource a student might search for, or what workflow a filmmaker is about to start. This evolution moves the iPad from being a powerful tool to becoming a true creative partner. The line between human intention and machine assistance gets thinner, and work becomes more intuitive. For a device built around creativity and immersion, the display matters as much as the chip. The M5 iPad Pro is expected to feature the new tandem OLED Ultra Retina XDR display. Deeper blacks and brighter highlights, perfect for HDR movies, photography, and design work, rumored to rival professional studio monitors, making it invaluable for filmmakers and graphic designers. Whispers suggest a refresh rate beyond 120 Hz, creating ultra-fluid animations and gaming. For artists, it feels like drawing on a canvas that reads every subtle pressure and tilt of the Apple Pencil. For filmmakers, it doubles as a portable grading monitor with true-to-life colors for everyday users. It's simply the most natural touch display Apple has ever made. This isn't just a screen. It's the foundation for creativity and storytelling on the iPad. Apple also appears to be upgrading the camera system on both ends, one optimized for portrait mode and the other for landscape. This small change makes video calls feel more natural and Face ID more flexible, no matter how the device is held. Sharper sensors and improved computational photography, making the iPad capable of capturing professional-grade video. What's powerful is not just capturing the content, but editing and publishing it on the same device. Imagine a travel vlogger shooting, editing, and uploading 4K videos, all from one iPad, without ever needing a laptop. The M5 iPad Pro isn't only about speed and cameras. It's about staying always connected. Brings faster speeds, lower latency, and stronger reliability for massive file transfers and real-time collaboration. Expected to deliver more stable and faster performance. Rumors suggest Apple may expand its emergency satellite feature, making the iPad a tool that works even off-grid. This ensures the iPad Pro isn't just a device for urban users, but a companion for field professionals, adventurers, and travelers. The secret weapon. Hardware lays the foundation, but software unlocks its potential. The M5 iPad Pro is expected to launch with iPadOS 26. This update could be the boldest step yet in making the iPad feel like a computer. True desktop-style window management. Full versions of software like Final Cut Pro, Logic, or even Xcode running seamlessly, ecosystem integration, start a project on the iPad, refine it on a Mac Studio, and then showcase it on a Vision Pro headset, all without moving files around. This ecosystem approach is Apple's strength. The iPad isn't designed to replace the Mac, but to work alongside it in ways no other tablet can. The beauty of the M5 iPad Pro lies in how it adapts to different worlds. A complete studio in one device, from sketching to 3D modeling to rendering. Shoot, edit, grade, and publish on the go without bulky laptops, a notebook, a research lab, and a personal tutor. All rolled into one. Professionals, engineers, architects, and scientists get a portable powerhouse capable of handling simulations and designs. In short, the M5 iPad Pro isn't designed for one group. It's built to empower anyone who creates, learns, or leads. Some analysts believe Apple's timing is no accident. The M5 iPad Pro could be a stepping stone towards spatial computing and AI-driven technology. The iPad may evolve into more than a flat screen, becoming a bridge between the physical and digital worlds. It may recognize context, predict needs, and integrate more deeply with AR in future devices. Apple may even be holding back a secret feature, perhaps a new input method, an advanced AI assistant, or a leap in augmented reality. Whatever it is, Apple is saving it for the big reveal. This mystery is part of the excitement. It's what makes the M5 iPad Pro not just an upgrade, but a moment in Apple's long-term strategy. At its core, the M5 iPad Pro is not about small upgrades. It's about transformation. Apple is aiming to redefine what a tablet is, and even what a computer can be, for years. The iPad has lived under the shadow of the question, can it replace a computer? With the M5 iPad Pro, that answer might finally be yes. It marks the start of a new era, where devices are not just tools but intelligent companions, seamlessly blending into our workflows and lives. The future of personal technology isn't coming. It's already on its way. And when the M5 iPad Pro arrives, it might just change everything we thought we knew about computing.